Hello dear student, I am Sunita Nair from Edo Learning and I am here to help you with this sum which goes like this. A cuboidal block of silver is 9 centimeters long, 4 centimeters broad and 3.5 centimeters in height. From it, beads of volume 1.5 centimeter cube each are to be made. Find the number of beads that can be made from the block. So as you can see, the sum is something to do with volume, right? Because it is clearly mentioned here. The beads of volume 1.5 centimeter cube are to be made. So that is perfectly right, because whenever we need to cut down a given mass into smaller substances, into smaller sized objects, then we are concerned with the volume, right? It is not the surface area that we are concerned with. We are concerned with the volume of the object. So let's calculate the volume of this cuboidal block, because if we know the volume of the block and we are given the volume of each small bead, if we divide the volume of the block by the volume of each bead, then we will get the number of beads. Alright, so let's get down to calculation now. We have here volume of the block, right? Volume of silver block is given by the length multiplied by the breadth multiplied by the height, right? So we have here the length is equal to 9 centimeters, the breadth is equal to 4 centimeters, and the height is given as 3.5 centimeters, right? So volume will be equal to 9 into 4 into 3.5. So let's keep it like this. We don't have to multiply it out. Now let's look at the volume of each bead, right? Now volume of each bead is given to us as 1.5 cubic centimeters. Is equal to 1.5, right? Therefore, number of beads will be equal to 9 into 4 into 3.5, or let me write it first. Volume of block upon volume of each bead. Which is equal to now the volume of the block is 9 into 4 into 3.5. So let's write that 9 into 4 into 3.5 divided by the volume of each bead is 1.5, right? So let's cancel whatever we can. We'll take with 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35. Of course, this decimal point is there in the numerator and the denominator, so we can disregard it because it is to the same decimal place. So they cancel out. And now 3 3s are 9. So finally we have 12 into 7, which is equal to 84 beads. And this is our answer. I hope you understood the working. Do drop in a comment if you find any difficulty. Visit our channel regularly for more homework sums like this. and subscribe to our channel for updates as well. Thank you.